Growing up, life was all about simple pleasures. The kind of pleasures that don't cost a thing but are worth everything. Waking up early, the smell of breakfast cooking, the sizzle of bacon in the pan, and the aroma of freshly brewed coffee filling the air. And then, stepping outside to witness the warm glow of sunrise over the fields, painting the sky in hues of pink and gold. Those quiet mornings taught me to appreciate the little things, the chirping of birds, the rustle of leaves in the gentle breeze, and the feeling of the cool morning air on my skin. Like a glass of sweet tea on a porch swing, where time seems to slow down, and every sip is a moment of pure bliss. It's the simple moments that fill our cups with gratitude and happiness, moments that remind us of the beauty in everyday life. Life can get busy, we all know that. The hustle and bustle of daily responsibilities can sometimes make us forget to pause and appreciate what we have. But taking time to notice the good, to be thankful for what we have, can make all the difference. It's about finding those pockets of peace amidst the chaos. That's what makes life truly sweet. It's the moments of reflection, the times when we sit back and realize how fortunate we are. It's like Mama always said, happiness is homemade. It's crafted in the little things we do every day, in the love we put into our actions. And the recipe? Well, it starts with a heaping spoonful of gratitude, mixed with a generous amount of positivity. Stir in some kindness, a dash of patience, and a sprinkle of joy. Let it simmer in the warmth of your heart, and you'll find that happiness is always within reach. Share it with others, and watch how it multiplies. Because true happiness grows when it's shared, just like a good meal enjoyed with family and friends. So take a moment each day to write down what you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a sunny day or a kind word from a friend. Look back on those memories and let them remind you of the sweetness in life. The moments that made you smile, the times that warmed your heart. And as the day comes to an end, take a moment to watch the sunset. Let it be a reminder that no matter how busy life gets, there's always time to appreciate the beauty around us. So here's to sweet tea sunrises and the simple joys that make life truly sweet. Cheers to the moments that fill our hearts with gratitude and our lives with happiness. Gratitude is simply about noticing and appreciating the good things in our lives. Big or small, it's about taking a moment to feel thankful for what we have. It's like saying thank you to life for all the blessings, from our families and friends to a sunny day or a good laugh. Gratitude helps us focus on the positive. Instead of dwelling on what we lack, it encourages us to appreciate what we've been given. It's about counting our blessings, not our troubles. And that, my friends, is a recipe for a happy heart. Positivity is about choosing to see the good in every situation. It's about approaching life with hope, optimism, and a can-do spirit. It doesn't mean ignoring the challenges, but rather facing them with courage and looking for the silver lining. Think of it like this. Life is like a glass of sweet tea. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's a little tart. But with a positive outlook, we can always find a way to savor the flavor. We can add a little sugar, a squeeze of lemon, or simply adjust our perspective. Now, y'all know I love a good story, but there's real science behind this too. Studies show that practicing gratitude and positivity can have a powerful impact on our well-being. It's like giving our minds and bodies a big old dose of sunshine. Research shows that gratitude can lead to better sleep, reduced stress, and improved relationships. And positivity? Well, it's linked to greater happiness, increased resilience, and even a stronger immune system. So it's not just about feeling good, it's about being good to ourselves. Section 5. Starting your day with gratitude. Incorporating gratitude into our daily routines doesn't have to be complicated. It's about finding small moments throughout the day to pause and appreciate the good. One simple practice is starting our mornings with a gratitude ritual. Before we even get out of bed, we can take a few deep breaths and reflect on 3 things we're grateful for. It could be anything from the cozy blankets to the people we love. This simple act sets a positive tone for the day ahead, reminding us of all the good in our lives. Section 6. Finding joy in the everyday. Positivity is all about finding joy in the everyday moments. It's about savoring a delicious meal, laughing with loved ones, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature. It's about noticing the little things that spark joy and letting them brighten our day. We can cultivate positivity by making time for activities that bring us joy. Whether it's reading a good book, listening to music, or spending time in nature, it's about filling our lives with experiences that uplift our spirits and make us smile. Section 7. Spreading kindness like confetti. One of the most powerful ways to cultivate gratitude and positivity is by spreading kindness to others. Imagine a world where every small act of kindness creates a ripple effect, touching countless lives in ways we may never fully understand. It's like throwing confetti. The more we share, the brighter the world becomes. Each piece of confetti represents a moment of joy, a spark of hope, or a gesture of love that can light up someone's day. Small acts of kindness, like offering a compliment, lending a helping hand, or simply listening with an open heart, can make a big difference in the lives of others. And guess what? Kindness is contagious. When we take the time to show kindness, it inspires others to do the same, creating a chain reaction of goodwill. When we're kind to others, it not only brightens their day, but it also boosts our own happiness and well-being. It's a win-win. Studies have shown that acts of kindness release endorphins, the brain's natural painkillers, and increase serotonin, the feel-good chemical. This means that by being kind, we are not only helping others, but also improving our own mental health. So let's all make an effort to sprinkle a little kindness wherever we go. Whether it's through a smile, a kind word, or a thoughtful gesture, we have the power to make the world a better place. Remember, no act of kindness is too small. Each one adds up to create a tapestry of compassion and love that can transform our communities and our world. Think about the impact we can have if we all commit to spreading kindness daily. From helping a neighbor with their groceries to volunteering at a local shelter, there are countless ways to make a difference. Let's embrace the spirit of kindness and watch as it spreads like confetti, bringing joy and positivity to everyone it touches. Section 8. Overcoming challenges with grace. Life isn't always sunshine and roses, we all know that. There are moments when the skies darken and the path ahead seems uncertain. These are the times that test our resolve and our spirit. There will be storms and setbacks along the way. These obstacles can come in many forms: personal loss, professional failures, or unexpected changes that throw us off balance. But it's during these challenging times that gratitude and positivity become even more important. They serve as beacons of light, guiding us through the darkness and helping us find our way back to calmer waters. They're like the anchors that keep us grounded when the winds of change blow. Just as an anchor holds a ship steady in a storm, our positive mindset and gratitude keep us steady amidst life's turbulence. When faced with adversity, it's easy to get caught up in negativity and despair. The weight of our challenges can feel overwhelming, making it difficult to see a way forward. But by practicing gratitude, we can shift our focus to the good that still remains. Gratitude helps us recognize the small blessings that we often overlook, even in the midst of our struggles. We can find strength in the support of loved ones, lessons learned, and the resilience of the human spirit. The encouragement from those who care about us can be a powerful force, lifting us up when we need it most. And with a positive outlook, we can approach challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Each obstacle becomes a stepping stone, a chance to develop new skills and gain deeper insights into ourselves and the world around us. Remember, every storm eventually passes, and with each new day comes the promise of a fresh start. Embracing challenges with grace allows us to emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. By maintaining a positive mindset and practicing gratitude, we can navigate this journey with grace and confidence, knowing that every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Together, with the support of our community and loved ones, we can face any challenge that comes our way. Our collective strength and resilience are what make us truly unstoppable. So, as we continue on this journey, let us remember to face each challenge with grace, gratitude, and a positive outlook. In doing so, we not only overcome adversity, but also find peace and fulfillment along the way. Section 9. The power of a positive mindset. Maintaining a positive mindset is a choice. It's a conscious decision we make each and every day. It's about choosing to focus on the good, to approach challenges with optimism, and to believe in ourselves and our ability to overcome adversity. It's like Mama always said, you can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. When we approach life with a positive attitude, we attract more positivity into our lives. We become more resilient, more optimistic, and better equipped to handle whatever life throws our way. Section 10, Shine On. Remember, gratitude and positivity are not destinations, they're journeys. There will be days when it's easier said than done. But just like anything worth having, it takes practice and commitment. So let's make a conscious effort to cultivate these qualities in our lives. One grateful thought, one positive action at a time. Because when we choose gratitude and positivity, we choose joy. We choose resilience. We choose to live our best lives, filled with purpose and meaning. So, go on out there and shine your light. The world needs your sunshine.